Kasan. First, the goal control the ball get it up high and slow enough that your setter can't run and offers a perfect dig goal straight to the setter and target zone. Prevent a point if you don't dig it is a point for the other team. In how to do it, get low and read on the of your front arm, loose and front your shoulder. Be to move any direction fast. Read the hitter, watch their shoulder and arms, showing a fast arm at you and usually means a hard hit. A slow arm means a tip repetition gains for hard and direction. Make a sword with your arms to the word, the target and the team.